Hello everyone. It's a very busy day. So probably gonna just do a quick one today and call it a day. All right, what do we have? Wait, which one? Find the difference. This one. Find the difference of two arrays. Given two zero-indexed array, return the list answer of size 2, where answer 0 is the list of all distinct integers in nums1 which are not present in nums2. Answer 1 is a list of all distinct integers in nums2 which are not in nums1. Now that the integers in this may be returned in any order. So answer 0 is all the distinct integers in nums1 that's not in num2. I can turn them into set. Yeah, we can do set. That should be the easiest way. Maybe you can also sort those and then do like 2 pointers. I don't know. I will just sort it. I'm not sort it. I will just use a set. It's probably the easiest. And yeah, I'm all for the easy going today. Not really in a very good mood. All right. We all have set 1, set 2 equals set num1, set num2. I'm going to return a list. I'm going to have 2 lists, okay, for n in nums1 if n not in set 2, and then we do n. Probably do this one will be better. All right, and then we'll do exactly the same, but just swap it. All right. And num1 is not in num2. Num2 not in num1. Huh? Oh, Jesus. My God. Oh, I've done this before. Ah. Two, 2, 1, 5. What do you think the solution will say? Brute force hash set. Okay. Count number of ways to group overlapping ranges. Oh no, ranges. You're given a 2D integer array, ranges, that all integers between this and this are contained in the ith range. You are to split ranges into 2 groups such that each range belongs to exactly 1 group. Any 2 overlapping ranges must belong to the same group. 2 ranges are said to be overlapping if there exists at least 1 integer that is present in both ranges. Return the total number of ways to split ranges into 2 groups. Interesting. So the first one we have is 6, 10, and 515, right? Now they already overlap because this is 515, this is 6 to 10, right? So they already overlap. So if you want to break them, so if they overlap, they must belong to the one. If any two overlapping ranges must belong to the same group. And then we need to return the number of So if they overlap, they must belong to one. So what we can do is we can, just start, right? Next one is 1, 3. So 1, 3. No, usually this way we'll sort. We sort start, right? So we have 1, 3. We have 2, 5. So these two must belong to the same. So now we have 1 to 5, right? And these have to belong to the same. Now this is separate. So naturally we have two groups. So that's one way to do. Hold on, you're given blah blah blah. Each range belongs to exactly one group. So you can, so for this, it can be, we can do this, right? Or we can do all of these are one, group one. Oh shoot, permutation. Times 2, so 4, right? Orange in group 1, orange in group 2, orange in group 1, orange in group. So what do you think? We sorted and we can go down to find the total overlapping ranges, right? So we have overlapping range, overlapping range, overlapping range, overlapping range. Let's say we have these overlapping ranges. Now once we find the overlapping ranges, it basically you just put, so you can divide here, divide, actually it's divide from here, 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 here. And actually we just divide here, divide here, divide here, right? Because we have, this is one way, this is a second way, this is the total number minus 1, actually it's a total number times 2. Is that right? Total number times 2? Yeah, because they can, oh no, they can mismatch, right? If I have 4, right, I can do this, right? And I can do dear Lord, how should we do this? It's let's say for just C4 choose 1, right? 4 choose 1. Anyone can put in one group and the other 3 belong to the other group. We put this in one group, the other put in the other group. This one, the one group, the other put in the other group, right? So it will be that plus C4 choose 2 plus C4 4 choose 3 plus choose 4. So that's 2 to the, if I'm not mistaken, it should be 2 to the 4 minus 1, right? 4, 6, 6, 1. Yeah, that's 15. And the whole thing need to times 2. Actually, let's try this. So it will be what? 30. Let's give this a shot. Return 30. Oh, that's overlapping. All right, let's see if it's 30. Huh. 16. Okay, honestly did not expect that. Oh, these choose 3. Oh, shoot. That's choose 3. These two are the same. Not really the same. These two, so I should not double. Yeah, because if you choose 1 and choose all these 3, it's the same as you choose all these 3 and you choose 1, right? Okay, so basically then we say C4 choose 0 then. So add it together 2 to the 4th, right? Which means if we give 5, 2 to the 5th, it will be 32, which means if we add another one, 9 to 10, right, that shall be 32. Yep, okay, so this problem basically is solved because all we need to do is find out the total number of non-overlapping ranges. And to find non-overlapping ranges, the best way to do is we just sort it based on the starting value. Right, we're gonna say ranges.sort. Then we're gonna say non-overlapping count. Okay. Then we go from first, we have 2, and then the next one, if it's, we don't do, and then we do, okay? So non-overlapping is always going to be 1, okay? Then we say for you know what? That'll be easier. P left and P left, P right, okay? It doesn't matter. It's all larger than 0, right? Yeah, larger than 0. So I can just use this. Okay, we can say for left and right in ranges. If left is larger than previous right, that's all we need. We don't even need previous left. I just need previous right. If this, then we say non-overlapping plus equal 1, and we're counting the one to the left. No, we're counting the current one. Okay, we're counting the current one, and we say previous right shall equal to right. Then we go on. If it's smaller than we don't do. If it's larger than we do. So once we're done, we return 2 to the non-overlapping mod 10 to the 9 plus 7. Okay, so let's save this and see if it's right. That's not right. The middle we did wrong. Okay, that's fine. I mean, we're moving very fast, so it's only understandable that things will not go as expected, but it's fine. We just need to figure out what has happened. This shall be 4. I don't know why I didn't do it right. This is 32. Okay. Ranges. What happened? Oh, I know what happened. Maximum. That ain't right. I ain't right still. Oh, I see. If it's larger than, there's an else. Yeah, I wasn't thinking. PR shall equal to maximum PR and R. Then why don't you just do this every single time? Right? You can do it every single time, then you don't have to worry about. Actually, I want to test one more. Let's do one more test. Let's just do it here. Let's say 7 to 10. How about this? Give it a shot. Okay, that shall be right. Yep. Not too hard. Find the total number count of non-overlapping ranges. Then the answer is, suppose there are n of them, then the answer is n0 choose n plus 1 choose n plus 2 choose n plus plus n choose n equals 2 to the n. On, right? All right, that's it for today. Have enough for today. Definitely have no gana to keep pushing for this difficult one. I'll deal with this some other time. It's graph. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.